Genetic privacy has emerged as a contentious and thought-provoking issue in today's society. On one side of the debate, proponents argue that individuals should have complete control over their genetic information, ensuring their privacy is safeguarded. These advocates assert that genetic data contains personal and sensitive information that could be exploited if accessed by unauthorized parties. They emphasize the need for strict privacy laws and regulations to protect individuals from potential misuse or discrimination based on their genetic makeup. Opposing this viewpoint, critics argue that restricting access to genetic information could hinder scientific progress and medical advancements. They assert that open access to genetic data allows researchers to explore correlations between genetic characteristics and various medical conditions, leading to the development of targeted treatments and improved preventative measures. Furthermore, they advocate for the sharing of genetic information among communities to better understand hereditary diseases and identify potential treatments. Advancements in genetic testing and sequencing technologies have raised concerns about the potential misuse of personal genetic data. Proponents of genetic privacy argue that unauthorized access to such information could lead to discrimination in various aspects of life, including employment, insurance coverage, and personal relationships. They contend that individuals should have the right to control who has access to their genetic data, ensuring that it remains confidential and protected from potential harm. On the other hand, opponents of strict genetic privacy regulations claim that it hinders scientific progress and impedes medical research. They argue that by sharing genetic data with research institutions or databases, individuals can contribute to a broader understanding of genetic factors in health disease. This sharing enables scientists to uncover crucial insights that could potentially lead to breakthroughs in personalized medicine, targeted therapies, and disease prevention. One of the primary concerns surrounding genetic privacy is the potential for discrimination based on genetic predispositions. Advocates argue that the disclosure of genetic information could lead to unfair treatment in areas such as employment, insurance, and relationships. They fear that employers or insurance providers may use genetic test results to make decisions about hiring, promotion, or coverage, potentially denying opportunities or unfairly penalizing individuals based on their genetic profile. In contrast, opponents argue that genetic privacy cannot solve the issue of discrimination, but instead perpetuates ignorance and stigma. They highlight that policies protecting genetic privacy may inadvertently reinforce discrimination against individuals with genetic predispositions or inherent conditions. By normalizing the access and sharing of genetic information, it becomes possible to address misconceptions and educate society about the complexity of genetics, ultimately promoting inclusivity and understanding. The debate surrounding genetic privacy continues to evolve as scientific advancements and societal concerns intersect. Striking a balance between individual privacy rights and the collective benefits of sharing genetic information remains a challenge. Ultimately, the resolution lies in comprehensive legislation and regulations that address both the ethical concerns and the potential for scientific progress.